Hello everyone, this is the superior 4-in-1 TV remote. It can be programmed to be used in every remote, so in every TV. So the first step is to unbox and add two batteries, because TV remote doesn't include any of this. Now you have to face the remote in front of the programmer. It must be 1 to 2 centimeters away, and make sure the lamp of the remote is faced toward the programmer. Now you have to run the superior software. Okay, and right now you have to press on your TV remote volume plus and down at the same time, as you can see in the picture. So after waiting a little bit, okay, here we are. Now the software has known the TV remote. There are two ways of finding your TV. First of all is searching, or you can just click. So I am trying to search for Samsung, which is my TV. Now let's try search for the model. Nothing shown. So the best way is to click on the list and select Samsung. So let's see the list. It's long because there are lots of TVs included. Okay, let's search for Samsung. And then let's search for my model. Once you found it, just click on the model and click install. So right now I'm testing the TV remote. As you can see, the remote is programmed successfully, and on the top and in the bottom there are two Samsung TVs, but I am testing the upper one, so the volume is working. And now we can see what else works. So make sure to click on the TV, because this remote includes 4 programmed remotes. And now we can change the channels. We can open the menu, and it's everything okay, like genuine Samsung remote.